RMS Beauty eye polish. There's a reason this is called eye polish. Close your eye, honey. Goes on an eye, clean, dry eye. No sunscreen on the eyelid, no moisturizer, no eye cream. It's got to be a clean, dry eye. It stays on better. The reason I call it eye polish is because you literally polish it into the eye. The more you polish it in, the better it stays. This is a sheer effect. This is not to look like that on the eye. It is like a sheer veil of color that light reflects, luminous glow that makes the lid look young. Women that have dry eyes, mature women, this really works well because of the fact that it makes the eyelid look younger. It adheres very easily to drier skin, and it gives a little bit of life to the eye. Open your eyes. Can you see that? And I like to blend it in right to the top of the eye. Close your eyes, honey bun. I don't like to do eyeshadow like this, where it's just over half of the eye, like that, and it's like a half a moon. Work it up slightly onto the brow. And just keep blending it in until you get the shape you want. You can do a cat eye with it. You can do whatever you want with it. This stuff is so user friendly. The trick is blend, 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 blend. If you want to make it thicker and more color, add a little coat of the RMS Beauty Unpowder. Just pop it on. Add a little bit more color. And look at the color intensify. Easy, easy, easy. Open your eyes, honey bun. Nice. And this color really makes that green eye pop. Love it. There. Now a little bit of oomph. Pop a little bit of my solar eye polish right into the center. Doesn't have to be over the whole lid. It's just for an effect. It's like, think artwork. When you were a kid, you took art classes, you just did that center of the circle. Open your eye and watch it catch the light. Lift your eye a bit. Turn off to the side slightly. Let's get a little bit more. You see when it's closed, you see it a bit better. Once the light hits it, because it's all about light reflective glow, so when the light hits it, that's when it really does its magic. And the gold's going to be really nice because it's also going to be, these colors are in her iris of her eyes. Open. Nice little pop. You can also take it in the inside. Look up, honey bun. Just a little bit in the center. Just a little hint of that gold. Beautiful.